2026 is around the corner and I cannot believe the open house for the Starry Sky cabins are almost here. Join us Saturday, January 10, 2026 between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. to view these cabins for sale. There are plenty of models available. They are perfect for Airbnbs if you want to have a backyard gym or a backyard office or have some sort of setup that facilitates a structure away from the main building. These cabins are perfect. They are equipped with water heater, central AC lines, fully equipped bathrooms with smart toilets, LED mirrors, and retractable curtains. My name is Courtney-Ann. I'm affiliated with Century 21. You can contact me at 876-465-8811. See you soon. Bye.